Connecting your IronFX account to MetaTrader 4 allows you to start trading with advanced tools and features. Follow these steps to set it up. Download and install MT4. Visit the IronFX website and download the MT4 trading platform for your device. Install and launch the MT4 application. Create or log into your IronFX account. If you don't have an IronFX account, open one by registering on their website. If you already have an account, log into your IronFX members area using your credentials. Obtain your trading account details. In the members area, go to the My Account section to get your account number, password, and server information. IronFX provides different servers like IronFX Live or IronFX Demo depending on your account type. Log into MT4. Open MT4 and click on File, Login to Trade Account. Enter your IronFX account number and password. Select the correct server from the drop-down list based on the details you received from IronFX. Verify connection. If successful, the bottom right corner of MT4 will show a green indicator, confirming you're connected.